Apple AirTag versus Chipolo One Spot. Which is the best Bluetooth possession tracker? AirTag uses Find My for tracking. Chipolo One Spot is cheaper, louder, and Android compatible but lacks ultra-wide band. Apple AirTag, at $29, has a sleek design but scratches easily and lacks a keyring hole. Chipolo One Spot is durable plastic and includes a keyring hole, enhancing durability. Both trackers use Bluetooth and the Find My network. Setup includes naming and choosing an emoji. Chipolo is a bit louder, and both batteries last about a year. AirTag's ultra-wideband improves accuracy but seems unnecessary. One Spot can be attached to a keyring, which is a great feature. The AirTag costs $29 without a keyring. One Spot offers a better value for $20. Chipolo One Spot attracts iOS users with affordability, easy attachment, and louder sound. AirTag's design and ultra-wideband tracking seem less essential.
Go to GearBrain for more information.